Okay, so this is another demo video, a very short demo video showing you another type of popular and common virtual event platform. Please do note this is a demo platform. Okay, so what that means is that everything here can be customized and bespokely created for your branding with your logo, your colors, your themes, and your actual event. But what this does is give you an idea of how events can look when built on this particular platform. Once again, please take notice of the fact that EventMind does not endorse any particular software. We are not an affiliate partner for this particular software either. Okay, so we scan the market and look at the best event software out there for clients, but this is just an example to share with you. So as you can see, when you land on your event registration page, you can actually swap in and out of this particular banner here. So the image that you see here can be changed, the title along with the dates can be changed. And one of the great things about these types of platforms is, if you want more than a one-day event, it is absolutely possible. Okay, so for those who are running trade shows, exhibitions, who want to give their sponsors longer life and a bit more bang for their buck, for example, or maybe you've got attendees and registrants who want to use the platform for more than one day, which you'd usually have to do for an in-person event. It is possible to have events that span more than one day. The button here, the call to action button, which currently says registration, can also be customized for whatever call to action you choose. It could be subscribe, sign up, enter, etc. Okay. As we scroll down, you can see here there's an about section. Okay, and that again can be customized for anything you wish it to be customized to. Then you have an agenda. So you can see as we're scrolling down, this top navigation bar is moving along. Well, it's fixed, but it moves along the tabs as you come to the specific section on the page. And you can actually have an agenda where your guests can see what the agenda is for the duration of the event with timings. Okay, so it's quite brilliant in that way. And then you can have your section with your speakers highlighted, and you can see here you have an image, you have their title, and you can learn a little bit more about the speaker. Now what can go in this place here is a biography and any links, okay, that are relevant for each of your speakers. And then you have a section at the bottom for your sponsors. So this is a very simple, okay, demo of what your event registration page can look like, of course, branded. So you can see you've got your navigation bar here up at the top. Now, what we're going to do is take you inside of what happens when your attendees have actually logged in. So again, what you can see here is the lobby. Okay, so we can go back to the lobby. So this is the page that your attendees actually land on when they log in. And in this section here, it's called the virtual lobby. You can have a recorded or live, okay, function, which welcomes all of your attendees as they enter your platform. So you can see here that there's a pre-recorded video here that will play for all attendees. And you can see here, they are welcoming anyone who lands onto the platform, which is really nice touch. As you scroll down, your attendees will be able to see what events, what rooms are available. Okay, so you can see here, and then we'll just click on that one. It says the session is finished. So that was a live session. So once it's finished, it's finished. But this session is live now. This is a wine tasting session. And I've personally attended virtual wine tasting sessions. That's when everybody's sent probably wines, a cocktail making kit. You can do it for coffee, baking, you name it. You can have any kind of entertainment, magician, chef, musician, etc. So you can see here, everyone can enjoy the wine tasting together. Here are some of the handy features on this platform. On the right hand side here, you can see there's a chat function. So we can all talk, all attendees can interact with each other via the chat function. You can also have polls. You can see who else is attending the event here, and you can upload files into this function for your attendees to access. Now, some other handy features. Here, you have something here where you can actually advertise your sponsors. So if you're selling sponsorship space or you're promoting a particular event, you have the space here in the corner that you can use and monetize if you so wish. Okay, and then as you scroll down, there's another sponsor section, and then you've got the about section for what your event is actually about. Now, what usually happens is that when everybody is live on the platform, you will have another row appear here where you can see all of the other attendees in their video chats as well. And the great thing is, if you are actually streaming live, you can pull your attendees in and they can talk with you and show up on the screen as well. Now, what's great on the left-hand side here is that your attendees can navigate to other rooms. So they can change rooms, they can switch rooms, and enjoy other content activities and events. Okay, so that's another brilliant thing. And as you can see, when a session is live, it will be marked as live, and it will tell you also the number of people who are in those rooms as well. So it's a really handy feature on the left-hand side, easy navigation for your guests. Okay, so it's brilliant. At any time, they can click on the column here, as you can see, and go back to that lobby. So they can go back to the start of where they entered and view all of the events that are available. You can see there are also networking lounges that can be accessed here. And then there are group rooms which you can lock, where people can go into groups and have conversations with other people via video chat. Okay, and you can see here some of the live video functions here. So it's really easy for your guests to navigate back to the lobby and access other functions, okay, in the virtual event platform. So this works particularly well for things like trade shows, exhibitions, award shows, etc., because it's an easy to navigate platform. I hope that has been helpful.